The boom of artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed industries and daily life at an unprecedented pace, reshaping the way we interact with technology. Over the last decade, AI has rapidly evolved from a niche area of computer science into a central driver of innovation, fueled by advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics. AI is now capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusively within the domain of human intelligence. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to autonomous vehicles and smart home devices, AI's presence is pervasive, and its influence is growing. One of the key factors contributing to this boom has been the availability of large datasets and powerful computing resources, which enable the training of sophisticated AI models. Cloud computing and GPU technology have provided the infrastructure to scale AI solutions across various industries, making them more accessible and efficient. Additionally, research breakthroughs in deep learning and neural networks have enhanced AI's ability to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with increasing accuracy. These advancements have allowed AI systems to excel in areas such as image and speech recognition, language translation, and predictive analytics. AI's impact on the global economy is profound, with industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing benefiting significantly from its integration. In healthcare, AI-driven diagnostics and predictive tools are aiding doctors in early detection of diseases and personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI algorithms analyze market trends in real time, providing insights that help investors make more informed decisions. Meanwhile, in manufacturing, automation powered by AI is streamlining production processes, reducing costs, and increasing productivity. This widespread adoption is driving significant investments in AI research and development, as companies and governments alike recognize its potential to drive future growth. Despite its promising potential, the rapid rise of AI also raises important ethical and societal questions. Issues related to privacy, job displacement, and algorithmic bias have emerged as critical concerns. As AI becomes more integrated into decision-making processes, ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness is essential to mitigating risks. Furthermore, discussions around regulations and the responsible use of AI technologies are intensifying, with global leaders exploring ways to balance innovation with safeguards that protect individual rights and societal interests. The AI boom, while transformative, will require thoughtful navigation to ensure its benefits are realized responsibly. Don't forget to subscribe to Technopedia Talk for more insights and updates on AI and technology trends.